If your child has ADHD and you've ever wondered if piano lessons would just be too frustrating, too rigid, or maybe just not a good fit, let me encourage you right now. They absolutely can learn piano. In fact, when it's taught with the right approach, gentle, flexible, and joy-filled, it can actually become one of the most supportive and encouraging tools in their world. Hey and welcome. My name is Miss Diana, a Christian piano teacher and studio owner of the Dynamic Piano Studio with over 20 years of experience. I've taught more than 900 students online, and I specialize in helping busy parents just like you give their kids joyful, self-paced piano lessons that fit their schedule without sacrificing quality or results. So if you're looking for tips, encouragement, and helpful resources to support your child's piano journey, be sure to like this video and subscribe. I'd love to walk alongside your family. Let's jump into today's video. Now, we know that music learning doesn't just sound good, but it's backed by science, especially for neurodiverse learners. Studies show that structured music training supports working memory, auditory and language processing, fine motor coordination, emotional regulation. So this isn't just a maybe idea. It's a researched and effective tool that helps children focus and flourish, even outside of music time. Now, personally, I've taught several children with ADHD, and in whether it's the general classroom, private lessons, and in my self-paced courses. And what I've seen is that they thrive when the learning environment is flexible but structured, predictable but never rigid, and encouraging but not perfectionistic. When a child can pause and rewind a lesson, hear clear step-by-step instruction, and play without pressure, music becomes a release, not a requirement, a joy and not a job. And piano becomes a place where your child can feel confident and not criticized. So let's talk about why self-paced learning works so beautifully for ADHD learners. In a traditional class, they might struggle to sit still, stay focused under pressure, or keep up with the group. But with self-paced courses, there's no pressure. They can take breaks, rewind when something is a little bit more challenging as many times as they need, move around and come back and still succeed. And parents, you don't have to feel like the enforcer, okay? You get to become the encourager. While your child builds confidence and ownership of their learning, there is the power of flexible step-by-step learning. And as a Christian teacher, I just want to say this clearly. Your child is not too much. They are wonderfully made. And in my courses, every lesson is grounded in grace. And that means that your child is welcomed just as they are. Piano can become their quiet anchor in their day. I've seen it time and again. A space for focus, peace, and creativity. It's more than music. It's a moment of calm, a rhythm of joy, and a place where they feel seen and celebrated. So if you've been wondering, can my child with ADHD really learn piano? The answer is yes, they can. And I truly believe it might be one of the best gifts you can offer them. So if you're ready to learn more about my self-paced courses, myself, head on down to the description box below this episode where you'll find a special discount code just for my YouTube families to get started today. I'd love to help your family get started. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or stories to share of the difference that music has made in your child's life. Let's raise confident, creative kids, one song at a time.